Hi team. Hi team. Very happy to meet all of you.
Evening, sir.
Very happy to meet all of you. Okay. So it is 7:30. People are joining. So what we will do today, we are going to have some wonderful presentations from people. We are going to have presentation by Mr. Ganesh, who is joining us from Bangladesh. He is born and brought up in Chennai, in Mugape, and he is an international brand manager. He is an international brand manager. He is working in a pharmaceutical company, and he is going to talk about NLP. So I am very happy to tell that he is one of my very good students. And then we are going to have a discussion on Kosh. Before that, okay, people, I think you have several doubts. Okay, first 5 minutes, let us devote for doubts clarification. The third day and fourth day, please, today night I will release it. Okay, today night I will release it, so which you can attend. Already the YouTube version I have already released it. I think it is uploaded. And thank you very much for the people who ever joined yesterday. So people are having many doubts about it. We will be releasing the complete pamphlet and also how the test is going to be conducted, etc. in 1 or 2 days time. So whatever doubts you have regarding the first 4 days, you can ask me, and I am at your disposal. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, I
Good
have a
evening,
doubt.
sir. Can you please explain conditional negative stroke?
Yeah, your voice is breaking. Can you be a little bit clearer? Clear?
Hello, am I
Yeah,
audible?
yeah.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Can you please explain conditional negative stroke?
Conditional negative stroke. Conditional negative stroke, anything you give, anything which you give with a condition which is negative in nature. For not being something, if you give a stroke, conditional negative stroke, very simply we can take it, see, without too much complicating things. If it is having a not, okay, that is conditional negative. If you don't follow the rules, I will put you in jail. Conditional negative. I will put you in jail. That is straight away threatening. Yeah, unconditional negative stroke. If I attach a condition to it, if you don't behave properly, I will put you in jail. Or this can be in the classroom. Is it audible? Whether my voice is audible to everyone? Gayatri, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Sharmila, I think there is some problem maybe in your. Just check thing. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. So we have discussed about 4 strokes. Okay. Unconditional positive stroke, unconditional negative stroke, conditional positive stroke, and conditional negative strokes. This is what 4 things which we have discussed. Okay. So anything else? Unconditional positive stroke. You people are wonderful. Unconditional positive stroke.
Sir, how to
Conditional positive stroke. Conditional positive stroke. You will be very good if you attend all the tests. Conditional positive. Okay. Unconditional negative. Unconditional negative is unconditional negative. If I give it to someone, okay, you're bad. Unconditional negative stroke. Conditional negative stroke. If you don't attend the test, it will not be treated as attendance. The day is not treated as attendance. Only if you attend the test, the day is treated as attendance. Conditional negative. So anything else? We have
How
239
to can we
participants
know we are
now.
overestimating ourselves?
1 minute, 1 minute. Ganesh, have you joined Ganesh? Ganesh and
Sir.
Yeah, sir, I'm here. First,
Ganesh, can you come on the line?
yeah, first Zenith will present, then I will present.
Yeah, Ganesh. Now,
Sir, can you make me co-host, please?
yeah.
Hello.
1
Sir?
minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ganesh, I have made you co-host. Kindly check.
Just a minute.
Hello,
Yeah,
sir.
okay. So Zenith will first present, and then I will present.
Yeah, no, Ganesh, you can present it. Now, actually, 245 people have joined. I think further 50 more people may join. Okay. So I wanted they should also listen to your presentation. So just 5 minutes, we will clear their doubts. Then you can start. Then we can have Zenith.
Sir.
Zenith, are you here?
Hello, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me check the dignitaries have come. Zenith?
Hello, sir.
Okay. Please go ahead with your question, ma'am.
So, what is superconscious mind?
What is superconscious mind? Ma'am, actually, as far as science is concerned, okay, we have been talking about conscious mind, subconscious mind, unconscious mind. So the super consciousness, that word, it is being used nowadays, which is due to the EEG, electroencephalograph. Electroencephalograph is a machine which reads your brain waves. So usually there are only 4 waves which are being discussed. Nowadays people started discussing one more wave, which is above 40 cycles per second, which is very fast, but that appears only for the people who are doing meditation and who are very yogi or the meditators, deep meditators. Okay, for them only that level comes. Okay, that people started calling it as super consciousness. Okay, but there are no scientifically, even scientifically, subconscious mind, unconscious mind is also not proven. But it has not been used in the regular psychological formats, etc. Super consciousness or super conscious, this word, it is being used when we are when people are discussing about EEG, electroencephalograph. Usually, as far as psychology is concerned, we are talking about 3: conscious mind, subconscious mind, and unconscious mind. And as far as NLP is concerned, we are not talking about subconscious and unconscious also. We are talking, we will tell that the other part. Whatever is in your conscious mind, whatever you are aware of at the present. For example, please, every one of you, please close your eyes. Please close your eyes. 1 second. Please close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Okay. Just bring it to your awareness. What are the things which is going inside you? The thought inside you. What are the things which is happening inside you? Just be aware of. Be aware of your breathing. Be aware of your breathing. Now I am going to tell something. When you are doing that, completely be aware of. Slowly open your eyes. When you are opening your eyes, be aware of the movement of your eyelid. Slowly open your eyes. Be aware of the moment. Be aware of the moment. Open the eyes. Now, look in front of you. What are the things you are aware of? What are the things which is in front of you? Just be aware of. Now, whatever is in your awareness, in the physical level, in the mental level, we call it as conscious part. Your conscious part. Whatever is not available to you, whatever is not in your conscious part now, that is termed as the other part in NLP. In NLP, we call it as the other part. It may be your subconscious mind, it may be your superconscious mind, it may be your unconscious mind, whatever it may be. So NLP differs in certain aspects. As far as NLP is concerned, between subconscious and unconscious, we tell that it is a benevolent thing. Freud told that unconscious is a repulsive energy. NLP says it is not a repulsive energy. It is a benevolent aspect. Unconscious is it is not something which we have to ignore or which we have to condemn. So NLP says unconscious. The other part is also possible. So team, I think we have got 291 participants now. I'm very, very happy to introduce Mr. K. Ganesh Rao. Ganesh Rao joins us from Bangladesh. He is born and brought up in Chennai, and he is a NLP practitioner. He is an international trade arbitrator and a brand manager, brand ambassador for a pharmaceutical company. So I hand over the stage to Ganesh. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. How are you all?
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very
We all
good,
are
sir.
good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good,
sir.
fine, sir.
Great.
Very good evening, sir.
Hi.
Great. Nice to see you all and nice to be with you all today. And today I'm going to talk about some various aspects. So before that, it's proud to be associated with ImmoCare with Mr. Shivakumar, and I'm traveling with him for the last couple of months. And on this occasion, I want to share with you how you can grow in life. See, all the concept that what we are talking, very huge, very vast, but we are missing all things. If the seed is not there, a tree will not grow. So my objective here is to give you the seed. So considering that, I have, can you see my screen?
Yeah, sir, we can.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
considering this, I have taken up the topic 37.8. So what is this 37.8? So everybody talks about some words, letters, and everything, but this contributes to something which is very, very important. That is what we are going to see today. So actually, this 37.8 is nothing but connect, learn, and grow. If you don't connect, you will not be able to learn. If you are not able to learn, you will not be able to grow. So with this, I would like to introduce myself as Ganesh. I'm a thinking verticalist. So the first aspect is you should know. Without knowing, you cannot learn. Without learning, you cannot implement. So this is a cycle. This basic cycle you have to follow. Even if you miss any one, you will not be able to continue. So we need to understand what we know, what we learn, and what we are going to implement. So coming to the point, know yourself, understand. So when you understand, can you see my screen fully?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So when you know yourself is what? Know yourself is nothing but understanding yourself. So when you understand yourself, what are all the things that you need to keep in mind? Number one, you don't compare yourself with others. Comparison is what? It is going to kill you. It is not going to make you grow. You have to grow yourself, because all 5 fingers is not the same. All are not born with the same fingerprint. Everybody has got a unique fingerprint. So keep that in mind. Don't compare and respect your individuality. When you don't respect yourself, then how you expect others to respect you? And you have to stand where you want to stand and what is your goal. And you have to be very honest in knowing yourself. In case if you're not able to understand yourself, kindly take time, because this is the very crucial point for you to understand yourself. If you don't understand yourself, you will not be able to move forward. Move forward is what? Learn. Because learning, you own it. Nobody can steal from you. So when you learn slowly, no problem, but you understand and learn. Whether it may be professional or it may be personal. And when you learn, share it with others, because it is a God's gift to us that sharing is always gives you more knowledge and more information to you. And number 3, once you know yourself, once you learn, you have to implement. That is the action. So what is the action is implementation. Just learning is not enough. You need to implement what you have learned. Then only it is possible. If you don't implement, how can you? Then it is useless. You see, knowing yourself, learning and not implementing, the whole process itself is not meaningful, or it is useless. So what is it? The plan. The plan is 37.8, which you need to know or learn from where. What is the source? So you don't need a new sunshine to start over. You just need a new mindset. You just need a new mindset. That is what I'm trying to make you feel. Say, for example, lava to butterfly, there is a transformation. Transformation is everyone's part of life. Each and every minute, each and every second, each and every hour, each and every day, each and every year, you need to have a transformation. You need to have a new mindset, because the new you is what is going to make the difference. You need to motivate yourself. There may be 100 books available in the market which talks about motivation, which talks about various other aspects. But if you don't motivate yourself, what is the use of reading motivational books or reading the self-help books? It is meaningless. And you need to know your strength and weakness to get into the transformation, the new mindset, to have the new mindset. So let us do a small activity. So what I request you all is, please take a pen or paper, or just whatever is next to you. It's going to be a one minute activity. So what I want you to all to do is just close your eyes and list down what are all you are, whether it may be a sound, it may be a thought, just write it down. 1 minute. So your time starts now.
फिर से टाइम निकल जाएगा और तुम अपना होमवर्क सबमिट नहीं कर पाओगे.
Sir, could you repeat what are we supposed to do?
Sir, please.
Sir, but we have to do.
What were the instructions, sir? Couldn't hear.
The instruction is, you have to close your eyes and list down what is that coming to your mind. Either it may be a sound or it may be a thought, whatever it is. Just write it down. You just have a minute and you have just another 30 seconds left. 15 seconds left. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, please stop it. Now you can open your eyes. So you have written, you know what you have written, because it is your idea, it is your thought, it is your thinking, it's all yours. It does not belong to anyone. It is yours. You own it, right? Am I right in saying that? Right. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, first, please pay attention to this. The 37.8 concept is you grow 1% every day. You grow 1% every day, so that 365 days, when you grow 1%, you become 38% approximately more superior than the previous year. That is, you grow exponentially. So in order to grow, what you need, number one, you need to be aware. You need to expand your map. You need to have positive anchoring techniques. You need to understand circle of excellence. You need to understand the technique of association and dissociation. So my objective here is to make you aware. The awareness is very, very important. If you are not aware, you cannot grow. As simple as that.
Could you please explain anchoring, sir? You just mentioned
anchoring, one of my colleague will explain, but
Okay.
I'm going to talk about awareness.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. So in order to grow leaps and bounds or 38% in a year, what is the first step? First step is to create or understand awareness. Awareness is very, very important. It means that wherever you are, whether you are in the present moment or in the past moment or in the future moment, your antennas should be always up. You have to be like a Wi-Fi router. You know, you have to catch signals. As simple as that. Can you browse internet without a signal? Not possible. So similarly, when you have to grow in life, first and foremost is you have to be aware of the current situation, the present situation, and how you are going to take responsibility of that situation. Because each and every moment is yours. You own it. You have to take the ownership of that situation. So to take the ownership of that situation, number one is awareness. Without awareness, you cannot move forward. So when you create, when you are in awareness state, you do all the considerations. You do everything. Your mind process whether it is right or wrong, whether it is good or bad, and then you take an action accordingly. Say, for example, today I want to read a book. What is the book I want to read? I'm aware of the book that I'm going to read. So I process myself, I take an action, and then I grow. So awareness is the first step. So awareness is the first step to grow 37.8. So please understand, my dear friends, 37.8 is very, very important in your life. What is 37.8? You need to grow 1% every day. And you should never compromise on this. You have to make yourself accountable for this 1% growth. What I have learned today, what I have implemented today, by learning what I have implemented. So That is very, very important. So awareness is very, very important. And let us see how aware you are.
Sir, can I ask you something?
Yeah, can we keep it late? Can we keep it in the last?
Okay, sure.
So once again, let us do an activity. So please all close your eyes. Please all close your eyes. First, you were not aware. Now you are aware. Again, 1 minute, just write down what are all you are aware of. One minute time, please. $25 seconds.
Activity.
Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, please stop it. So now you could see the difference because you have written before knowing awareness and you have written after knowing awareness. So this is how you need to understand. Or again, this is not a very easy thing to just follow, as I say. You need to spend time, you need to understand yourself, you need to learn yourself, you need to know what you should learn. That is more important. And learning is not just learning. You have to understand. Even if it is slow, never mind. Understand completely. Then you implement what you have learned. So being aware gives you the full confidence to grow that 1% a day, so that you go 37.8 in a year. So thank you and best wishes to you all.
Sir, can I ask you something?
Just a minute. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, how did we get that 0.99?
So you can Google it out and you can find out.
Wonderful. I'll do so.
That was a very wonderful answer, Ganesh. That is one of the wonderful answer because, see, actually what happened day before yesterday, okay, day before yesterday, I was in a session and question was about branding. I told some aspects which is not relevant to branding, some other aspects. Actually, I talked about the topic at 12:45. Until 2 was 2 o'clock, a participant asked, "Sir, can you tell about it?" I told, "When you got the doubt?" He told, "Sir, I got the doubt. The topic itself, I got the doubt." I told, 1 hour, you could have Googled. This is, we call it as proactive. Very nice.
Anybody has got questions or anything if you want to ask, you can ask me.
Sir.
Yeah, okay. Ganesh, thank you very much, Ganesh. It was a very wonderful session.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
It is very wonderful session and thought-provoking session. It is very much thought-provoking. Team, if you have any other aspects to ask him, not only about this general aspects, okay, I can, Ganesh, can you just take out the screen sharing?
Yeah, just a minute, sir.
Yeah. Team, Yeah. Okay. So team, not about this particular training. Okay. Not particular about this. Okay. If you have anything, I can allow 3 people to ask questions to Ganesh. Ganesh, because he is into various aspects. Okay. And you can ask any question, maybe related to this or maybe another aspect.
Awareness, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, please.
Raise the
To be
hands.
aware of.
Please raise
Yeah,
the hands.
please.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
My question to you is, generally in the classroom, when we ask children to take action, as you said,
Mhm.
they are not able to take action the way they are guided. So how to deal with those kind of students?
See, actually, they are not able to take action because you see they are not aware of what they need to do.
Yes, sir.
See, being aware is more important. Say, for
Yes.
example, if you are not aware of this, you will not ask this question.
Hmm. So as a teacher and as a counselor, how are we supposed to take action at that present time? Because there are
See,
many children who are very freaky by, their concepts.
it's a very good question. I appreciate asking for this question. How can we know? How can we counsel? Because you need to make the person speak. Only when they speak, you will be able to know. When you know, you will start learning. When you start learning, you will try to implement. When you try to implement, what happens? Implementation comes with an action of and awareness. Because you are going to listen with awareness. See, listening is something very, very unique. There is something called as art of listening.
Yes, sir.
Everybody cannot listen. A counselor or a teacher is not only to talk or not only to give information. The main purpose of a counselor or a teacher is to listen. Only when you listen, you will be able to process and put it into thoughts, and then you can give it in the form of words.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a great initiative taken by you and Shiva, sir. I'm very thankful to all of you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you. Thank you. Anybody else would like to ask me?
Yes, sir. Can I ask?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, sir. Can you tell how to build awareness? How to be more aware?
Yeah.
Again, this is a very good question. It doesn't happen overnight. We are not born and the next day we don't go to school. It takes time because you need to understand yourself first. You need to understand your strength. You need to understand your weakness. You should know what you are going to learn. Again and again, I'm repeating. Awareness, you need to practice. Instead of closing for a minute, because of this session, I'm just asking you to close for a minute. But actually, you have to close your eyes. You have to do proper breathing. Make yourself aware of your breathing. And then you have to make aware of the surrounding. And it comes with the practice. 30 minutes, 1 hour. This is called a typical meditation. So once you start meditating, once you understand the consciousness and the subconsciousness, you are more aware of what is going to happen. You will be able to understand the situation outside. Your mind will be calm. That is the logic here.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. That means, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, please.
The last question, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Once we improve our calmness, as you said,
yes,
we'll be able to improve our sharpness in listening and awareness, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Because when the mind is calm, you will be able to do the processing without any problem. If you are agitated or you are happy or you are sad, because you will not be able to take decision because you are controlled by emotions. We have to come out of that. That is very important.
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Excuse
now
me,
I
sir.
understood. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, time. Okay, team. Rest of the questions, please put it on the group. Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Thank you, everyone.
thank you very much, Ganesh, for your wonderful
you, sir.
session and your talk. It was
Thank you,
so
sir.
motivating and it was so nice. It was so nice. Ma'am, are you here, ma'am? Sanjana, are you here? Sanjana?
Sanjana is not here, so I'll take it up. So now Zenith will present on POSH.
Who is going to present?
Zenith.
Yeah,
So
Zenith.
Zenith is here. So
But I-
Zenith,
Zenith is
Yes,
not
sir.
here.
Yes. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
can you please come on the video? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
I'm on
friends,
video.
yeah,
There.
friends, today one of my colleague, Miss Zenith, is a psychologist and also a practitioner, and she has got a very, very important topic to present today and share with you. So I request Miss Zenith to come on stage and share her presentation.
Yeah, I think she has come. Yeah.
Sir, I'm audible?
Yes, audible.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Good morning, friends. I would like to thank Shiva sir that he gave me a chance to talk about this sensitive topic about POSH. So how are you all the people?
Yeah, fine, madam.
Okay.
Fine.
Fine, madam.
Very nice, very nice. Do you know what we celebrated a day yesterday?
Daughter's Day.
Wow. How many
National
people
Girl-
you know? Very nice.
Girl
very
Child Day.
Girl Child Day.
Yeah, very nice. Yes,
Girl
yesterday
Child.
we celebrated National Girl Child Day. Everyone took photos with their daughters and they were putting on the Instagrams and on the Facebooks. So we celebrated yesterday as a Girl Child Day. Our slogan was strong. Sir, kindly go through the slide. Ganesh sir. Next one.
Zenith ma'am,
Yes, sir.
can you be a little bit louder, ma'am? Your voice is not audible.
Okay, now, sir, I'm audible.
No, a little bit more.
Okay, now I'm audible.
Yeah, like this, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our slogan was "Strong girl make stronger woman." Okay. How will our daughter be strong? We talk about gender equality. How could this happen?
Hello.
So when we give them a safe environment, only then will the daughter study and daughter will grow. So next slide.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Zenith ma'am?
You are not audible to me. Us.
Zenith ma'am?
Yes, sir. Am
Ma'am,
I
you're
audible?
not audible, ma'am.
Not audible?
No, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello.
Shiva, kindly put Zenith on spotlight, please.
हेलो
Yes,
जन्नत
already
मैडम
on the
हेलो
spot.
आवाज आ रहा है हेलो
Hello?
हाँ हेलो मैडम आवाज आ रहा है
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah, please go ahead.
आपका
Okay.
आवाज आ रहा है मैडम बट थोड़ा सा स्लोली आ रहा है तो प्लीज थोड़ा सा
Okay.
लाउडली
Okay.
बोलिए आवाज आ रहा है आपका बट थोड़ा
Okay,
स्लोली
okay.
आ रहा है इसकी वजह से वो
Okay,
कंसेप्ट
okay.
थोड़ा हाँ
Please be
Okay,
fast, Zenith. Yeah,
Yeah.
please go ahead.
Okay. Sir, next slide.
Can you unmute yourself?
Your mic is mute.
गलती है कभी आवाज नहीं आता है
Okay. How
हाँ
many
जी, और-
people have heard about Me Too hashtag? Put your hands up.
Can you repeat, please? What was your
Okay.
question?
How many people have heard of Me Too hashtag? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You are audible, ma'am. You are
Okay.
audible.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay.
We know.
How many people have here of? Hello, am I audible? How many
Ma'am, it
people
is a
have here of?
feministic
Zenith,
movement.
continue, Zenith.
Madam,
Okay,
voice is
just
audible, but it's very feeble.
It
Okay.
related to sexual health.
Okay. How many people have heard of Me Too hashtag now?
Ma'am, it is a feministic movement.
Yeah, we are familiar. We are familiar with. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. What to do? What do you know about Me Too hashtag? Amir Khan's daughter also revealed about what happened with her. So Me Too hashtag become a trendy hashtag in recent times. Agreed women came forward and told them about sexual harassment. Sir, next one. What was the purpose of Me Too hashtag? Me Too hashtag purpose was that stop harassment against women. How will this happen while the POSH Act was already in place? We need to raise the voice. Why are the people unable to raise their voice? The reason behind is fear. So next one slide. Because this is the irony of our society. If we ignore it, it will stop. What is sexual harassment? Okay. In this picture, there is it's a case study. Rohan and Arpita are working together at advertising sale executive. They travel together for business trips. In one such business trip, Rohan tried to hold Arpita's hand at the airport during give her coffee. Another business trip, she tries to get her close to her in the flight. He constantly touches her. So this making Arpita really uncomfortable. But Arpita was aware with this act. So she refuses to the Rohan that whatever you are doing, it comes under the POSH Act and I can complain about you. So how many people know about the POSH Act? How many people are aware about it? Hello?
Not many. Very few are aware. Not many.
Okay.
Please go ahead, Zenith.
Go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead.
Zenith, ma'am,
You
voice
can
is not
mute
audible.
your
Again
own
on
voice.
mute. Am I audible?
No, ma'am.
Oh, am I audible?
Yes. Please go
Okay.
ahead.
According to this act, any workplace with more than 10 employees should have internal committee, internal complaint committees in every district of if a woman makes a complaint about an act of harassment, the inquiry has to be complained within 90 days. So according to this act, any woman can complain about their
I think her headset problem, I think so far. Can you ask her to?
Yeah. 1 minute.
Zenith, ma'am?
1 minute. Zenith, ma'am. Ganesh.
Yes, sir. I'm here. Yeah.
Please take out Zenith, ma'am. 1 minute. Zenith, ma'am. 1 minute. 1 minute. Ganesh.
Yeah. I stopped the presentation.
We will make the connection tomorrow clear, okay? Because the voice is not coming properly. We will work it out tomorrow, Ganesh. So the POSH Act is very, very important one, and Zenith will be presenting about it tomorrow. Prevention of sexual harassment. I will tell you one incident which happened. One of my friend, actually, she is very much educated. She joined in a very famous company. A very famous company, multinational company. She joined as a voice process. She joined in voice process. For first 2 months, there was no problem. The third month, the team leader started giving some kind of advance. See, as far as this POSH Act is concerned, it is not that only straight away somebody is making some advancement that we can complain. We can complain even if there is a hint, if there is some initiation from the other party about the ulterior motives, also we can complain. Now what happened was the team leader started using some double standard language, and he started making some kind of advances. He used to send messages in WhatsApp in inappropriate times. Okay. So what happened? She called me one day and she told, sir, team leader, now if I complain now, I may lose job, because I do not know whether proper action will be initiated or not. Because I discussed this with my other girls, okay, who are working in that company. They told that last time this has happened like this, and no proper action was initiated against that personality. But after 3 months, the girl resigned from the job. Now that, sir, I will not be able to resign the job because I have a family and my father has taken a loan. My father has taken a loan based on my payment. So I need the job. So how to proceed it, sir? I feel very difficult. Now, these kind of happenings, it happens wherever women work. I told you will be having, definitely you will be having a box. In box, you can write it and put, even without your name also you can put, so that somebody who opens it may know it. She told, sir, okay, sir, that at least I will try to do that. With my name, I don't want to give. Now, what happened after 3 months? She told, sir, it is not reducing, sir. Now that since I am not giving complaint, he is taking extra advantage. I simply told, see, do you have the guts to stand as a woman and give the complaint? Like whatever happens, let us face it. Don't bother about the job. You will get 1,000 jobs. You are intelligent, you will get 1,000 jobs. So today I'm going to give complaint. She immediately gave the complaint. After 5 days, actually that guy was transferred to some other department, and I heard that inquiry was held, and after 5 months he was terminated. That guy was terminated from the job. So POSH Act gives various parameters, various aspects to strengthen the thinking of women to safeguard their rights, to safeguard their interest in the society. Now, particularly at this point of time, mental health, when we talk of mental health, we have to talk about POSH, because even in the same hall, even in this hall, if we take 80% women, 20% men. In my dynamic counseling program, which is a 60 days program, paid program, okay, we had around 102 members. Out of this 102, 70 are women. In NLP program, which is currently going, okay, 90% are women, only 10% men. So as far as the psychological field is concerned, women play a larger role. And women take up psychology and handle things in a more better way than men. Can anyone tell why a female is very, very successful as psychologist? Men is also successful. But women is more successful in 2 areas. One is nurse. As a nurse, as a psychologist, maybe I think they are able to do justice more. Can you people tell why? What may be the reason? What is the reason?
Because of the feature of nurturing.
Anything else?
Empathy, I think. They are more
Because,
empathetic.
sir,
They are
because the
more
woman
compassionate.
understands
Very caring
emotion
by
more than
nature.
anybody else.
They have faced many things
Sir,
themselves.
because women are more emotional.
Mute your voice. Please raise your hands. I will ask.
Sir, because women have more patience. Sir, because
The one
women have
aspect
more
is
patience.
okay. Whoever wants to answer, please answer it in the chat box. The one aspect is women has the ability for association and disassociation very easily. Particularly disassociation is naturally comes to women. Disassociation means I want to disassociate from something that comes naturally to women. For men, that is not that much natural. For example, nursing. You have to do so many aspects, okay, without any kind of aspects thinking in your mind. And all those things, it comes naturally to women. So as a psychologist also, they are very, very successful. So knowing the rule, the POSH rules and regulations will help us to propagate this law to the common people and common girls and who are going for job, because that will help them to stay connected with the law and use their rights and remedies. Today we will work out with Zeenat ma'am, and Zeenat ma'am has prepared a lot, I know. She has prepared in-depth aspects for all of you. Yesterday she called and she told everything, whatever the live case history and all she told. But the thing is, tomorrow, I think today there is some problem. So tomorrow definitely she will be presenting it without any issue. So today mindfulness we have discussed. Ganesh Rao discussed about mindfulness. I will give you 2 minutes time to everyone. Please bring water. Please go to your kitchen. Bring a glass of water. Bring a glass of water. Bring a glass of water and come in the video. Please come in the video. You can move out. Please go. Take a glass of water and please rejoin.
It's already there, sir. Kindly carry on.
Already there, no problem. If it is already there, no problem. For whoever is not having the water, full glass water. Full glass water, okay? Full glass water. Please take and come and join on the video. We are having 352 people here. At least most of the people, if you join, that will be very nice.
Excuse me, sir. Jeenat is still on spotlight, sir.
Acha.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So I want everyone to join on the video call. Join on the video with your water in your hand. Okay. Let me also bring, okay, just once again time.
Please be very careful. Don't spill water in your laptop.
Okay, team, please join on the video call, team. Manikandan, Priyanka, Anuradha, Amrita. Everybody, please join on the video call, okay, with the glass of water, okay. Hi, Shobana, very nice. Please join on the video call. Now, see, the thing is, somebody talk about awareness and a question about awareness and mindfulness. There is a very great aspect about tea. In Japanese, there is something called tea meditation. Tea meditation means the Buddha monks, they will make tea. Even when they make tea, they will dance. They will dance. They will enjoy making the tea. And when they drink the tea, they will drink with complete awareness. Now, even drinking water with complete awareness, you will be able to feel something which you cannot explain to the other person. Very simple. There are, see, experience cannot be explained. If somebody asks, how is the exercise? If somebody explains, then something is not happened up to 100%. You did something and you are not able to explain it, but you got something. That means 100% it has happened. Something has happened. Now, take the water, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I want every one of you to close your eyes. Take the water and sip the water. Sip the water. Drink with complete awareness. Let your tongue knows. Okay, take the water. Take the water. Take the bottle. Priyanka, take the bottle and drink the water slowly. Feel it's moving down, moving towards your stomach, chip by chip, drink, enjoy going inside, then the next one. Feel it is just going inside your stomach. Now, when you are drinking like this, you will be able to feel the flowing of the water inside your body. Please close your eyes and pay complete awareness. Drink, feel the water and let it go inside. And you will be able to see that travel. Now, drink the water fully. And when we do something with awareness, something happens within ourselves, isn't it? So today we are going to see, we have 3 more minutes. I'm going to talk about a beautiful exercise. See, we have, there is something called a triune brain. How many of you know the concept of triune brain? If you do not know, put it in the chat box D. Put it in the chat box D. D means you do not know. If you know means yes. Triune brain. Okay, very nice. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss about triune brain. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. 3 brain in 1. Dr. Paul MacLeay developed this concept and he introduced it. And it is one of the concepts which is very, very easy to understand about the brain and how it functions. And this is very, very important for counseling and also for all other aspects. We have 3 brains. The first brain is called a reptilian brain. A reptilian brain. I will forward the PPT. I'm not showing any PPT. Okay. The first brain is a reptilian brain. Okay. So a reptilian brain. Priyanka, can you just open your mic? Let us talk.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you spell
Priyanka,
it, sir?
how are you? How are you, Priyanka?
I'm good, sir.
Yeah.
What about you?
Okay, Priyanka, suppose. Okay, suppose.
I'm good, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay, I have a question for you, Priyanka, and for everyone.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and Priyanka will answer the question. Others you can just take. Priyanka, suppose if there is a earthquake, if an earthquake comes, okay, suppose if there is a earthquake in your area, in my area, okay, in your area, in my
Yes,
area,
sir.
there is an earthquake. What I will think is,
Okay, sir.
there are 343 people. Malar is just looking at me. Priyanka is my student. She is looking and she is attending the class. Uzma is attending the class. First, I should tell bye-bye to them. I should tell good night to them. Okay. Then I will switch off my video. Okay. Then I have to tell them about what is the plan for tomorrow and then go out. Whether I'll be doing this or
Yes, sir.
the moment I feel the earthquake, okay, just I will run off from here. Which one will happen?
Sir,
Priyanka, suppose if in your area, if there is an earthquake, whether you will thank me, sit and Shivakumar sir, thank you very much for your class, sir. The last 4 days were a wonderful class, sir. Now I am feeling earthquake after my leg. So I am taking leave, sir. If possible, if I am alive tomorrow, I will come and join.
No, sir. No, sir. I can walk that place.
We will run it. Reptilian brain. Reptilian brain means when you are in your reptilian brain, okay, you will do only two things. One is fly or fight. Fly or fight. Fly or fight. For example, let me ask Shobana. Hi, Shobana. Hi, Shobana. How are you? So,
Hello.
hi, Shobana.
Fine, sir.
Acha.
Hello,
Shobana, morning, you are coming out of your home to buy milk. Okay? To buy milk.
Okay.
When you are just walking on the road, you are seeing a very big dog. Black color dog, very big. The tongue is out. Okay? It is coming towards you, running towards you. And see, Shobana is a very artful person. She likes art. She likes nature. She loves nature. She loves animals. And the dog is running towards her. Tongue is out. Shobana will stand and say, what a beautiful dog. How nicely it runs. What a beautiful tongue. Shobana, what you will do, Shobana?
No. No, sir. Actually, I'm already a very fearful person about the dogs or other animals. if I saw the dog from long
Either
distance,
fight or flight. For example,
No.
Gopalakrishnan sir is there. Maybe he may be throwing a stone. Fight. Okay, a dog is running towards him. Gopalakrishnan sir may throw a stone. Shobana may run. Fight or flight. Okay. When we are in reptilian brain, only two things are possible. Either we'll be able to fight or fight. Now there are many functions, big functions, big this Kumbh Mela and all these aspects happens now. There we see people die when a stampede happens. Even recently in Bombay, there was a lightning. People thought that something has happened and they started running helter-skelter, and 7 people died on the spot because people started running above the people. So at that time, the sixth sense will not work. The sixth sense means actually science doesn't believe in sixth sense. We use a word called higher cognitive function. The higher cognitive function will not work when you're in reptilian brain. The second brain is limbic brain. When you are in deep emotions, you will not be able to think. For example, I will ask a small question to our Muller. Hi, sir. M-A-Z-H-E-R. Hi. So, yeah, Muller. Is it? Am I pronouncing properly?
Mazhar, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Suppose I make a statement here. Okay. Please tell me whether you get anger or not. Okay. Everybody in this world will die one day.
Definitely, sir.
Everybody means that includes Shivakumar and you.
Absolutely, sir.
You don't get anger now when I say this statement?
No, sir. Why? It is fact.
Now, suppose for example, you are going to some funeral. Okay. You are going to some funeral. There a person is sitting and crying. Somebody died and he is crying. The same statement, if we go and tell him, what will happen? You also will die one day. I will also die one day. We will get slapping. He will slap us with chapel. Isn't it?
Correct, sir. Correct.
When you are in emotion, when you are in deep emotion, your sixth sense will not work. That is limbic brain. So that we tell in examination time, go early. If examination is 10 o'clock, go at 9 o'clock and sit in your place. Because if you are in limbic brain, your sixth sense, higher cognitive function will not work. Suppose, for example, you are going for the public examination. 9:30 is the examination. 10 o'clock is the examination. You are going, we tell, don't discuss with anyone. Don't talk with anyone. Why? Suppose examination, 9:45 examination, your friend is asking, hey, acid rain will definitely come here. Have you read? That's all. Everything we will forget. Acid rain, definitely it will come. That's all. Over. So the thing is, people will go to the limbic brain. Once people go to the limbic brain, it comes minimum 15 to 20 minutes to come back to the higher cognitive function.
Sir, I have a question.
The third brain is called cortical brain. Cortical brain, the higher brain. When you are in the cortical brain, the total brain is open. The total brain is open. That is the limbic reptilian. If the total brain is open, and the cortical brain decides and shifts the brain. Suppose if there is an earthquake, cortical brain will cut off and it will switch off the all the functions to the reptilian brain. When you are in deep emotions, the cortical will cut off and it will shift all the aspects to the limbic brain. So now we are all in cortical. Hope we are all in cortical. We are all in cortical brain. Sunita?
Yes.
We are all in cortical. Now, you are in cortical now. 8:36, 8:45, 9 o'clock. Suppose if I am going on talking, 9 o'clock. Up to 8:45, you will be in cortical. 8:45, 8:46, 8:47, you will be going to your limbic. Arey yaar, stop karoge ki nahi karoge yaar? Baat karte rehte ho. You are going on talking, stop yaar. Whether you will stop or not, then 8:46, 8:50, you will switch off and go. Arey yaar. Limbic brain, okay? And God should help that you people should not go to reptilian brain, okay? My position will become more dangerous. So, cortical brain has two sides, right side brain and left side brain. Right side brain, can anyone tell what is what right side brain does and what a left side brain does? Right side brain, it is creative. Left side brain, it is maths. Logic. Left side brain is logical, mathematical, and it is very. It says 2 + 2 4. Right side brain, left side brain. Right side brain is creative. Right side brain is musical, and right side the brain most of the time out of the box thinking. All the inventions in this world has happened because of the right side brain combined with the left side. We are all very good in left side because left side brain only we are all brought up. Okay. Now I will tell something. Just quickly tell me the answer. Okay. Put the answer in the chat box. 2 + 2 + 3. Put it in your mind. 2 + 2 + 3 -1 into 3 + 1. What is the answer?
90.
90. See, everybody tells. Now I want every one of you to come on the video. Please come on the video. Quick. We will see the right side brain. We will see the right side brain. Come quick. Okay. Now, I want every one of you to tell a 2-line poem about your own self. 2-line poem about your own self. Now, Sunita ma'am smiles. There is smile in most of your face. Why? Because we use our left side brain. When it
shall I say 2 lines?
The left side brain is received, okay, and the left side brain said, okay, it is possible. When I told the poem, if you have thought that, okay, I will be able to tell, that means you are using your right side brain. If your smile is coming in your face, if your smile is coming in your face, that means your left side brain has received logical brain and it told, is it possible? Idalla nadakuma ya? Yes, sab hoga kya? Like that you thought and immediately you started smiling. So we are having right side brain and left side brain. To be a successful counselor, we should use both the brains. That is, we should use our right side brain as well as left side brain. First, how many of you know whether you use your right side brain or left side brain more? Have you undergone any test? How many of you didn't do? Please put a D in the group. If you have not attended any test regarding right side brain, left side brain, put D. Okay. Today I will put a questionnaire in the group. I will put 3 questionnaire in the group. Okay. I will put 3 questionnaire in the group. Attend all the 3. At the end of each questionnaire, it will tell whether you are using your right side brain or left side brain. Okay. It will give the percentage. Attend 3 tests. Take out the majority. Okay. So the triune brain is always remaining cortical. If somebody calls you idiot, okay, immediately think whether I am an idiot. I am not idiot. Why should I bother? You call me whatever you want. Yeah. I am not going to bother because I am not that. Why should I bother? Cortical brain. I call someone idiot. Immediately, hey, why are you calling me an idiot? Limbic brain. Immediately I slap him. I take a knife, a reptilian brain. Yes, I am very happy to be an idiot. Cortical brain. So let us be in cortical brain, okay? And we are all intelligent actually. We are all very intelligent. Now slowly I am going to my limbic because the time is 8:40. 8:45, my other team members are waiting, okay? My NLP people are waiting there, okay? If I don't join, they will go to limbic or reptilian, okay? So I will release the questionnaire. Please attend the questionnaire. Triune brain, I will send the PPT. Most of the things I will not be able to explain here, but the PPT will contain everything. Please go through it. Thank you for the 300 people who have joined here. Thank you, Megda, for joining daily. Thank you for everyone who joins daily. Thank you, Ganesh. It is a wonderful session.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Zenith ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow we will have.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, team. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Yeah.
Stay in cortical
Thank you
state.
so much.